Annelida. Bilaterally symmetrical. Triploblastic. Coelomate. Segmented body, metamerism. Closed circulatory system. Example, earthworm, leech. Arthropoda. Largest phylum. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate. Segmented body. Exoskeleton made of chitin. Jointed appendages. Example, insects, cockroach, arachnids, spider. Crustaceans, crab. Crab. Mollusca. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic. Coelomate. Soft body. Usually with a hard shell. Muscular foot. Mantle and radula. Example, snail, octopus, clam. Echinodermata. Radially symmetrical, adult, triploblastic, coelomate. Endoskeleton made of calcareous plates. Water vascular system. Example, starfish, sea urchin. Hemichordata, commonly known as hemichordates, are a phylum of marine deuterostome animals closely related to echinoderms, such as starfish and sea urchins, and chordates, which include all vertebrates. The phylum is divided into two main classes, Enteropnista, acorn worms, and Pterobranchia. Hemichordates are characterized by their unique body plan, which includes a proboscis, a collar, and a trunk. They possess a stomochord, a structure similar to the notochord found in chordates, although it is not homologous. Hemichordates are important for understanding the evolutionary relationships and development of deuterostomes. Stomes. Chordata. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic. Coelomate. Notochord. Dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal slits. And postanal tail. Divided into subphyla, Urochordata. Cephalochordata. Vertebrata. Urochordata. Tunicata. Characteristics. Marine animals with a sac-like body structure. Covered by a tough outer tunic made of a cellulose-like substance. Free-swimming larval stage with a notochord, dorsal nerve cord, and tail. Larvae undergo metamorphosis to become sessile adults. Adults are filter feeders, drawing water into their bodies through an incurrent siphon and expelling it through an excurrent siphon. Cephalochordata. Small, fish-like marine animals. Retain chordate characteristics, notochord. Dorsal nerve cord. Pharyngeal slits throughout their life. Notochord extends the length of the body and persists throughout life. Burrow in sand in shallow waters, with their anterior end protruding for feeding. Filter feeders. Using cilia to draw water into the mouth and filter out plankton. Example, Amphioxus, Branchiostoma, a well-known representative of Cephalochordata. Subphylum vertebrates. Class Cyclostomata. Jawless, elongated body. Cartilaginous skeleton. Example, lampreys, hagfish. Chondrichthyes. Cartilaginous fishes. Placoid scales. No swim bladder. Example, sharks, rays. Osteichthyes. Bony fishes. Bony endoskeleton, swim bladder. Example, salmon, catfish. Amphibians. Dual life, aquatic larval and terrestrial adult stages. Moist skin. Lungs in adults. Example, frogs, salamanders. Reptilian. Dry. Epidermal scaly skin. Lay shelled eggs on land. Example, snakes, lizards, turtles. Apes. Feathers. Beak. Endothermic. Lay shelled eggs. Example, sparrow, eagle. Mammalia. Hair. Mammary glands. Endothermic. Live birth, mostly. Example, humans, whales, kangaroos. All these are as per NCERT syllabus. Learn easily and join our classes. Thank you and God bless you all. Subscribe to our channel.